Amit has assigned 80% of his savings to various fixed deposit schemes, but recently there has been a substantial reduction in the interest rates. So he wants to explore other options of investment, which will fetch him interest rate of about 8 to 10% per annum, instead of depositing this amount to his savings account.
Well, 8 to 10% return expectation from your fixed income allocation at this stage looks like a fairly optimistic one. So first is you have to moderate your expectations. I mean, at this point in time, there would be certain bonds and certain high yielding fund categories which can yield upwards of 8%. But then you have to remember that they will come with their own set of risks. So at best, you can only have a very small allocation from your overall allocation to these kind of investments. A high quality bond portfolio at this point in time, you can expect in the next 1 year maybe returns in the range of around about 5.5%. So that's the kind of expectation from a high quality bond portfolio that you should have at this point in time for the next few quarters. Now, if liquidity is not an important parameter for you, and if you can lock your money in, then some of the options outside of the mutual fund domain, for instance, for an accumulator, options like the national savings certificates or the PPF with the 6.8% and 7.1% returns look quite compelling given the kind of environment that we are in. Or if you're a regular income seeker, then options like the senior citizen savings schemes or the Pradhan Mantri Vay Vandana Yojana look very compelling with their 7.4% returns. So those are the ones you can consider to bump up your yields if liquidity is not a consideration. But otherwise, really, you need to moderate your expectations and you have to live with the kind of low interest rate environment that we are in right now.